Hello everyone. Today, I am gonna show you how to create Fibonacci series on Python. So, here I am using Visual Studio for writing my program. You can also do it on Python. Here what we have to print is we will start with defining a function Fibonacci_sec, n. So, n will take two variables, a and b, with a equal to 0, and b equal to 1. Here, a will denote the first number of Fibonacci series and b will denote second number of Fibonacci series, which is 1. So, what we are going to do is, making this a and b in such a combination that it will show all number of Fibonacci series. Now, we will make some if condition. L. So if user print one number of the series, it will give 1. For some revision, elif is used to continue the if condition with more if that if condition only. And, if the user give two number of series, it will give 0 and 2 only. Now, here come the most important part of the program. Now in else we will make something that repeat and give other number of the series. So, we will create a for loop for this. Now, from till here program, there can only 0 and 1 will be printed. So, we will create a for loop. Here, I have used n-2 because 0 and 1 will be printed even if I didn't use for loop. So, when we will provide n to be 10, it will minus it from 2 and print 3 to 10 numbers of Fibonacci series. And 0 and 1 will be printed will above program. Here, let's print series of 1 to 20. So, the program is finest. Let me run it to show you the program works perfectly. So here, I have printed Fibonacci series of 20 number. Let me change the value to 10 to print Fibonacci series till 10 numbers. So here you can see that Fibonacci series of number till 10 is printed. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.